Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's OP video update for Friday 12th of August. And right now we're looking for OP to bottom out somehow, and the question really is that I posed yesterday was, where is the C correction coming to an end? We need the C correction to come to an end somehow so that we can actually start to move to the upside. Now, candlestick reading does help us understanding the C correction, but I do want to actually bring something that I didn't talk about in the last videos, and this trend line that you see, I don't think that OP ever backtested this yellow line, which is actually at 1.319. You never really backtested to continue higher. Actually, we might not even get this price target at the moment because the backtest never really happened. On the daily, I talk about this first wave, second wave, third one, fourth one, fifth one, A, the B, and then the C correction. The C correction to me probably might not have ended just yet, and we might be looking for the C correction to really drop all the way down to 1.308 or maybe a little bit deeper to 1.287 and finally backtest this level. Because let's actually zoom in here and let me tell you about something known as key levels. Okay, the key levels. If I take one trend line and draw a trend line here, okay, now let's remove the trend line. Let's just draw this line, okay, right at those candlesticks top, this green candle, that red candle, and this candle wick here. You can say that this was a level that was backtested, which in my opinion is not really reliable trend line. Okay, we might say another line comes here at this level, which is 1.4 something, and you might say that this was the back test, which in my opinion still not reliable, but it actually comes down to this level, this line right here. This is where you have most of the touches, and it doesn't make it this, okay, it doesn't make it this because you're going to lose a lot of trend line right there. You don't have as good trend line because you're going to be missing the red and the green, but this line here has more touches than anything else, and that's actually a price of $1.318. And to be honest, my original plan was OP comes down here, but it actually came down to the 1.4 and backtested 1.4, but it never came down to that 1.3 or 1.28 that I'm talking about. And if you stretch that trend line to the end of it, it never really backtested it, and previously it actually came down near it and went to the upside, but it never touched the trend line. So maybe this can be a dirty retest to come down here, complete the C correction as well of the Ilya theory, and we have this ABC and start to move to the upside once again. So that's pretty much it for this update today on OP. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay, if you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49 and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.